After laser machine cutting, we get the example.